Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes at an electronic contract manufacturer? Spoiler, it's more than just machines making noise. Welcome to Tecnova Electronics. Let's take a walk and we'll show you what sets us apart. We specialize in high-mix, high-reliability PCB assemblies, sub-assemblies, and full box builds. Whether you're working with prototypes or ready for full-scale manufacturing, we've got you covered under one roof, right here in the Midwest. Quality is at the core of everything we do. First, we understand your needs. Next, we develop a process plan, build and test to your specifications, and finally, deliver products ready to perform. No surprises, just solid results. Our SMT lines use high-speed automated pick-and-place machines to handle components of all sizes, placing each with pinpoint accuracy. For data buffs, that's 80,000 CPH at plus or minus 0.025 millimeters. To boost quality, we use 3D solder paste inspection, 3D AOI, and in-house 3D X-ray systems to catch defects, especially for leadless parts like BGAs and DFNs. Got through-hole components? No worries. We cover selective soldering, wave soldering, and good old hand soldering. Sometimes old school works best. We also take programming and testing seriously because a product that only looks good isn't good enough. For builds heading into harsh or specialized environments, our conformal coating process protects your PCBAs to keep them performing at their peak. And we don't stop at PCB assembly. We provide complex box builds, from cables and sub-assemblies to fully assembled products. For that finishing touch, our epoxy dispensing process provides the security your products require. Bottom line, we deliver your products when and where you need them. Why should you choose Tecnova Electronics? We are truly a one-stop shop. With upgraded equipment, spare capacity, and award-winning quality, we can kick off projects quickly with shorter lead times and fewer headaches. Plus, our central Midwest location means faster, more cost-effective shipping nationwide. We have the capacity and expertise to handle all your projects, big or small, while staying close to you, your products, and your goals. Want a more detailed or hands-on tour? No problem. Shoot us an email or give us a call. Or better yet, bring a sample. We'll show you exactly how we build it, test it, and deliver it. We're proud of what we've built here and would love to partner with you on your next project.